No, we're not looking to sell. We're bottom of the league. We need all of our players. How much? 48 mil for Strand Larsen. Sorry, I sneezed. Just give me a moment. Let me talk to the rest of the board and see what they think. 1 second. He scored 1 goal. Okay. Hey. Stop laughing. Compose yourself. Hi. Yeah, I think we could do that deal. Yep. So, if you send over the paperwork and we'll get the ball rolling. Oh, no. Pleasure doing business with you. Okay? Yep. 48 mil. Strand Larsen, he's all yours. Take care. Bye.